Hi, it's Tansel here, and today we're going to look at how you can use the visual guide reading method to speed read a lot better. So let's go. What is the visual guiding method? The visual guide method is a way to not only speed read, but guide your brain so you can pick up more information and be able to comprehend it a lot better. So let's look at an example. So today is raining outside and I can't play basketball. Now, in order to use the visual guide method, you need to be able to just use your finger or use the pen, right? So what I'll be doing is doing that. Easy, done. See you later. No, it's not as simple as that, right? In order to really make use of this technique, you need to be able to do it in a way where this is comfortable for you, because there's two challenges for reading with a guide. One is that you can go really quickly, right? If you go really quickly, what happens is that you remember, your eyes don't do the reading, your brain does. If you go too quickly, what happens is your brain is still trying to process this, but if I'm already here, then I'm going to miss out. So you need to be able to go a little bit slower so your brain adjusts. So that's the first challenge. The second challenge is the opposite, right? If you go too slow, so if I'm doing this, but my brain's already here, what's going to happen is it's going to miss that synchronicity as well, right? It's not going to be synchronized to how comfortable I'm moving my finger as opposed to how I'm encoding that information. So how do we get around this? The best way that I found, again, after training for over 20 years on this, is to go fast and then go slow, go fast and slow, until you can figure out what is comfortable for you. Now, how do you figure that out? What I've found is that people, whenever they do this exercise, they find that once you start forgetting about, you're moving a finger and start absorbing the information, that's your comfort level. How do you know that? You know that because now you're being intrigued by what's being written rather than focus on your finger. Because if you keep focusing on your finger, then remember, the finger is not what you're reading, the text is. So train your brain so that this is comfortable, right? And it's not going to happen with a couple of sentences. You might have to go for 10, 20 pages just to practice. But I guarantee after 10 pages, you'll find what works for you. And then once you find what works for you, now it's just about, okay, what can you see? What can you visualize from this bit of content? And so that's what I've done with all my other videos on speed reading. But for now, we just want to look at the visual reading guide because this is very, very important. So in summary, move your guide at the pace of comfort. If you're going fast, that's not going to work. If you're going too slow, that's not going to work. Try and find a happy medium with practice. There's a short video for you. I know a lot of people have requested this video, so hopefully that answers your question. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help. Thank you. Bye.